Hi sir, how are you?
Fine.
What is your good name?
My name is Omar Mohammed.
Okay.
I have been doing cashew manufacturing in Kerala.
Okay.
Right now we have a production capacity of 28 metric ton cashew raw nut.
Okay.
Right now we have been doing in 20 cities. We are pan-Indian basis. We are doing business right now. And right now we are in the cashew congress today.
Okay.
I think we had a better experience in here, and everything is going well also.
So, can you tell how you came in this business?
I just started this business 12 years back.
Okay.
When after completing my plus two studies, I just started this business as my own. Like started in a 100 square feet room. But right now this business have grown into like our packing unit into a 10,000 square feet packing room, and we got like 13 factories that have the production capacity of 28 metric ton per day. So we are growing, and we are enhancing our machineries and everything for our clients every day. We have imported so many machineries from Germany, Italy and everything for enhancing the quality of the goods and everything. And it's going very good.
How you are managing the quality? Because I listen that in cashew industry so many people are facing the quality issues. When you send the goods, some issues for the acidity and moisture. For that, what you doing to make the different quality from others?
Yes, we have a process for that, because by this long 10-12 years journey, we have studied so many things about the cashews and quality, or how to make the quality very good, or should be a cycle of things that we should do in a straight way.
Okay.
So we have find it out and everything. So we have some process like metal detector, hair remover, grading, sortex, destoning, and human physical checking, conveyor checking. This with all these checks, we have made it 99% error free. Nothing can't be said for 100%, but we are going for the 100% with the imported machineries and everything. But I think we will soon reach there also.
So you are trying to do the maximize the quality is better.
Yes, we are maximizing our capacity also. Along with that, we are training our workers very neatly also. Every week there will be trainings going on, because without them we can't achieve anything.
Okay.
So we are training our workers every week about the quality and everything.
And how you manage the price, giving the price to buyers, and how you are going to manage the things?
No,
because I listen that so many competition people are selling like your one quality is less than that price they are offering to big clients. So how you are going to manage?
Right now, what is happening is that the customers are getting confused by other markets. Right now, before the Kerala have been the market topper in processing. Right now, Kerala only have the 45-50% of the processing capacity. Balance in other states it is gone. What's happening is that the other states, they are confusing the customers by giving them, if it is one grade, they are splitting the one grade into other 5 grades. So customer is getting confused and everything about the qualities, about the price, about the names and everything. Maybe they are getting the same item that which we are selling for maybe 100 rupees above. But they are getting confused. That's why we are getting directly into the B2B segment, not getting any middleman with us. So we will hear whatever they need. We will walk upon to that.
Okay. And what is your USP of the company?
Mainly our USP is that keeping the relationship with them, with the company, and keep the product quality for a stable long term. Because we are only looking for the long term business and everything.
Okay.
So everything is working quite nice also.
And what is your vision?
My vision is to achieve to 2025. We would like to achieve the market topper over all ice cream industry. We should give them our cashew. Apart from the color is not about the quality. You should look into that, how's the cashew taste and everything, because color, if whatever it is white, that is not good. You can't say white is good. So the natural original color of the cashew is pale ivory. So that means that when the flavor of the cashew will only be out when it is roasted, more roasted. So you will get the judge by looks, judge by taste also.
It means you don't check the quality by the color. You check the quality by the taste.
Yes.
So can you tell to how they will contact to, how they will reach to you?
We have our websites also. That is www.alfahcashews.com.
Okay.
And other than that, I have my number also. I will share this with you also.
Okay.
That is, my number is 999 567 8939.
Okay.
So you can contact me, or it will be connected to my sales side also. So it will be happen.
Nice to talk to you.
Yes.
Best of luck.